Hello everyone. Here is the practical session where we are going to look at what is distinct method in Streams API in Java 1.8. Basically, if you guys are from the database background, you guys might know that the word distinct, right? So let's say you have 100 records in the table and there are some duplicates in the table, and if you want to get only the unique values or the distinct values, right? Then you can go for distinct keyword in SQL. Similarly, in Java also, whenever you have like group of objects, whenever you are deal with group of objects, it can be array or it can be collections or anything, right? So whenever you have group of objects in which you have some duplicates and you want to remove the duplicates and you want to get only the unique values, right? Then you can go for distinct. That is the reason Java Oracle developer team has created a method called distinct in Streams API, starts from Java 1.8. So basically, it is to remove the duplicates which have only distinct values in the streams. So how I'm going to demonstrate is that I'm going to write a practical program wherein I'm going to show you guys how we can have remove the duplicates in the streams. So for that, I'm taking a class where I have a array list, where I have like added some objects already, like Karthik, Jay, San, Karthik. If you guys notice here, like I have already have Karthik twice, so it means like this is a duplicate, right? If I print now, if I print saying whatever we have, right? Yes, right. So let's say right now, if you see all the things are like right now, if you want to print it, right? So everything is duplicate, right? Karthik is duplicated. Now what I'm trying to do here is now no need to print it. Actually, I'm going to remove the duplicates first. So first, what I should do is I have to convert the collections into an streams, right? So how to do it? Yes, dot stream of. This is the method to use to convert into a stream. On the stream, we have a method called distinct, right? So we have to do it as a distinct. So which will give the stream. So distinct of stream means like we can have you can use a for each method also, right? So what you can do is like you can have for each. So here you can print it, right? System dot out colon println, right? So which means like you are able to print it. Let me run this program. If you see here, Karthik, Jay, and San, right? Which means that Karthik duplicated has been removed. It is printing only the unique values. If you don't have this one, let's say if I don't have distinct method here, if I just simply print it, you can see here Karthik is repeated twice, right? So this is the beauty of using a distinct keyword, distinct method. So distinct method actually prints only or gives back only the unique values by means like it is removing the duplicates, right? Whatever it is. So I want to show you guys one more program where I'm going to show you with the help of array of integer arrays. So I can say integer array, let's say I is equal to, I want to have some duplicate elements here. Let's say I'm having, let's say 10, comma 20, comma 10, comma 55, comma 9, comma 3, comma 9, right? So these are the elements which I have in the array list, sorry, array. And now I want to convert or I want to remove the duplicates over this array, right? So what I can do here is first I want to convert this into a stream of streams, right? So this is array, right? So whenever I want to convert into array into a stream, what I should do is I have to use stream dot off method, right? In the off, I can pass the group of objects, which is nothing but array. So now this has been converted into stream. On the stream, I have distinct method, right? So I can use a distinct method. So which distinct is actually returning back the stream. So on the stream, you have a for each method. So you can use for each to print it, right? So system dot out colon colon println, isn't it? So now let me go and run this program. Yeah, 10, 20, 55, 9, 3. So 9 has been repeated 2 times, which has been removed. So that is how it is actually 10 is also 2 times it has been removed. So that is how it removes the duplicates and gives back only the distinct values. I hope you guys have understood this concept. So let me tell you one more thing. So whenever you write some program or whenever you are trying to uh, giving in a program saying that you have to deal with some objects, right? And if you want to make sure that you should not have duplicates in it, you cannot restrict the users to provide the duplicates, right? Where let's say you are writing a program wherein like you are creating a RESTful web services, right? Wherein you are dealing with some data, and if you want to make sure that there is no duplicates in the data, what you can simply do is you can simply say streams.off of whatever you're receiving back to streams, and then you can simply say distinct. On the distinct, whatever you have, then you can deal with that. So this is how actually practically you will be using the distinct. But this is a standalone program where I was demonstrating how to use distinct method in streams since Java 1.8. I hope you guys have understood this concept. If you guys have any question, please post your comments. Thank you guys. Bye bye.